हेलो फ्रेंड, नमस्कार, जय हिंद। मैं विमल ओझा स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में। सीधे सीधे मुद्दे पर आता हूं। मैंने ये डिसाइड किया है कि आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड द प्रीमियम कंटेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल complete training course on my YouTube channel, step by step, where you can get a complete details of electric vehicle, starting from the fundamentals of electric vehicle, hybrid vehicles, solar powered vehicles, and also we are going to cover the vehicle dynamics, vehicle aerodynamics, and a lot more things. In a series of lectures, I am going to cover the battery, complete chemistry of battery, battery technology, types of batteries we are going to use in electric vehicles, and the modern technology used in electric vehicles, battery, and also the battery management system. We are going to cover the converters, power converters. We are going to cover the power electronics of electric vehicle complete, and the use of artificial intelligence sort of things in electric vehicle in modern time. And also we are going to cover the complete detailing of electric vehicle motors, different type of motors, technology principles, and what are the advantage and disadvantage of using particular motors in a electric vehicle segment. So it will not only the training program, online training program, or a recorded series of lectures on my YouTube channel, but also if you are attempting the our test papers, we will certify you, and where you need to pay very nominal charges. But I'm sure that the cost of electric vehicle course in market, I'll say it's starting from 30,000, 50,000, 80,000, and many companies are charging 1.5 lakhs or 1.2 lakhs for the 6 month of training program and certification. And trust me, you will get the one of the best content ever on YouTube, on or in any company as like a training content. So I'm looking for your suggestions, your expectations from the course, and also meanwhile we are going to cover the certain portions of MATLAB Simulink, majorly which is used in system model based system design of electric vehicles, where we are going to do the 10-15 projects. I will not focus on a MATLAB, but definitely you will learn the complete Simulink part. So friends, मुझे आपके सजेशंस का इंतज़ार रहेगा, और अभी से अगर आप हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हो तो कर लीजिए, आपको नोटिफिकेशन सही मिलने वाली है। वीक में कम से कम 6 आवर का रिकॉर्डेड सेशन आपको हमारे चैनल पे मिलने वाला है। और आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फंडामेंटल्स हिस्ट्री ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल इन वेरी फर्स्ट सेशन, and second session I will cover the like complete parts of electric vehicle, and in third session we are going to cover the battery chemistry, and I have decided to give the battery in 3 parts. One is the fundamentals of battery chemistry, and second one is what battery exactly, how we are going to connect the cells, and cell technology and terminology behind that, and we are going to, then after we are going to complete battery pack modeling and all. Then in third part we are going to cover the complete BMS from fundamental to advanced, and next we will move to the, obviously we are going to cover the motors and its types. Then we will learn about the controllers and some other electronics part of electric vehicle, and the most important thing, we are going to do cover the all calculations part, which is very necessary if you want to be a good electric vehicle engineer. So I will give you the complete calculation part also, like a electric vehicle dynamics, aerodynamics, and also how we are going to calculate the like a required motor capacity or required battery capacity, or what power of motor you are going to use in your electric vehicle. So all basic and very small things I am going to cover, and that will obviously improve your skill and knowledge. Thank you so much. See you.